Accessibility is a major obstacle faced while seeking mental health services in our country. The Yellow Club, a mental health initiative founded by Rahul Roy, seeks to address just that. Join me in this conversation with the founder of Yellow Club, Rahul Roy. So, Mr. Rahul Roy, can you tell us about the foundations of Yellow Club?
Yes. So, in a nutshell, Yellow Club stands for, or the objective of Yellow Club is to make mental health services accessible for all.
But this is a difficult proposition, right? Because in India, mental health is a taboo. We don't talk about mental health much. So, there's definitely a problem you're encountering from the start.
Yes, of course, yes. I think that's the crux of the issue, and that's from where we have to find the solution. We don't really talk about it, or people are not really aware about the issue itself. So how do they address it? So that was the first pressing issue that we faced when we thought we will work on something related to mental health, and we don't have any infrastructure to deal with it. And the worst is that people don't really realize they are going through a mental health struggle, and that's where the importance of awareness comes in.
What is the model of operation for Yellow Club? How does Yellow Club function?
The app is the first experiment that we are doing. And in our app, what are the main functionalities? So there are mainly two things that we offer in the app. One is online one-to-one consultation, wherein which you can privately consult your doctor through a video call. So that's a one-to-one interaction. Then we have an option for a group session, which we also call a group therapy, where we believe that we can reach out to a larger group. So what do we do here is that we just we try to group people with similar problems, with similar issues, and then we address it, and then we initiate a discussion, and then in a group people will feel that, okay, I'm not alone in this, and then they will also have a validation that this is normal. And that's what we do actually, to normalize the problem.
So, Rahul Roy, what is the major challenge faced in this sector? Where do you think government intervention is needed?
Something like a medical service needs a lot of privacy, and the privacy guidelines for the country hasn't been updated much, with respect to the other developed nations. And all the informations with respect to a patient, confidentiality, so on and so forth, are at stake when we go on with an infrastructure online without much of guidelines or much of regulations.
What is next for Yellow Club? What is the future plans?
Okay, the future plan for Yellow Club, as I did mention, we really want to create a large impact in the society and to make mental health service accessible for all. All the projects we have deployed are at the initial stage, and scaling up is the next big initiative that we have to do.
Thank you, Rahul Roy, for agreeing to this interview. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Matthew, for the opportunity.